Students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine at home. Today we are going to start chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. It's a class 8th. What is the means of adolescence? Growing up is a natural process, the period of life when the body undergoes change leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Adolescence is defined as the period of life 11 to 18 or 19 years of age. Since this period covers the term 13 to 18 or 19 years age, adolescents are also called teenagers. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in a boys. Adolescence means teenagers. Teenagers means the age start from 13 to 19. What is a puberty? The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable to reproduction. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. Means puberty some sexual change so in the boys and girls. The following changes take place in the body at puberty. First one is sudden increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is, the bones of arms and the legs elongate and make a person tall. By the age 11, a boy has reached 81% of his probable full height, while a girl has reaches 88 of her full height. It is very important to eat the right kind of food during these growing years. Means in the age, every girls and boys should take balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet means that the meals means food include protein, carbohydrate, fat and vitamins in required proportion. It means in a balanced diet all the components of the food are present in proper amount. Second one is change in the body shape. The soldiers in a boys, the soldiers become broader and chest become wider. In girls, the region below the waist become wider. In boys, the muscles of the body grow more prominently than in the girls. Thus, changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. Third one is boys change. The boys of some of the boys cracks at puberty. At puberty means teenage. The voice box or larynx begin to grow. Boys develop large voice box. The growing voice box in the boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its small size. This diagram is showing Adam's apple in a grown up boy. Adam's apple found in the portion of neck. Next one is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous. Sebaceous means oil glands. During puberty, the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands increases. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Next one is development of sex organ. At puberty, male sex organ like the testes and penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms in girls. The ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing matured egg. Next one is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Adolescence is also a period of change in a person's way of thinking. Adolescents are more independent than before and are also self conscious. Intellectual development take place and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. In fact, it is often the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. In the puberty age, secondary sexual characters are also shown. Testes and ovaries, the reproductive organ, they produce the gamete, that is sperm and ova. In girls, breasts begin to develop at puberty. And boys begin to grow facial hairs. Facial hairs means beards, मूछें and दाढ़ी. Such these features help to distinguish the male from the female. They are called secondary sexual character. Boys also develop hair on their chest. In both boys and girls, hair grows under the arms and in the region above the thigh or the pubic region. These the secondary sexual character.